I get many people that come into my office dealing with significant digestive disorders or leaky gut type symptoms, and also are suffering from some form of autoimmune condition, or they've been recently diagnosed with an autoimmune condition. And then they have questions of supplementation and how it can help and if it can be beneficial. So we're going to go through all of this and more and explain these interworkings, and we're going to start right now. Well, hello everybody, I'm Dr. Glenn Harrison, and welcome to this week's segment of Why. This is where we take just a few minutes to answer some of the most common health-related questions that I see in my office every day. So if you are new to this channel and want to learn more, want to learn the why of a condition rather than just the symptom, but actually learn the mechanism of and how to turn it around, how to improve it, highly recommend. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification so you don't miss anything, because we're going to be firing out more and more content as the weeks, months, and years go by. So today is really to understand the connection between leaky gut, supplementation, and autoimmunity. There's a close connection. So to explain leaky gut briefly. So leaky gut is really where you end up with irritation in your intestinal lining. And then when you're eating food, food doesn't just stay in your intestine, it actually leaks and crosses into your bloodstream. It crosses your gut-blood barrier. And once these foods that you're eating, proteins, get into the bloodstream, you mount an immune response. So these foods, proteins, and all of that should stay contained in your digestive tract. You shouldn't be getting that cross translocation of these foods. So there's many causes of leaky gut. There's everything from diet. Diet will play a big role. Alcohol, gluten is famous. Dairy is famous for this. Processed sugars, medications are a big player, and different hormones will play a role into it, imbalances of hormones. Stress, every day of the week, stress can cause leaky gut. Not to mention traumatic brain injury. Within 15 minutes, you can develop leaky gut from a traumatic brain injury. And then metabolic conditions. So autoimmunity can create leaky gut, but blood sugar problems, being a pre-diabetic or diabetic. So there's many causes to leaky gut. But once you have leaky gut and this happens, what happens is, again, you're getting those proteins getting into the bloodstream. That's where your immune system is. Your immune system starts seeing these proteins that aren't supposed to be there, and then you mount an immune response because your immune system is trying to clean this up. It's seen as a foreign invader that's going to damage your body. So a leaky gut, what it does is it aggravates any existing autoimmune condition that you have. And autoimmunity is where your immune system has marked your own tissue as bad and starts damaging it. There's many autoimmune disorders, everything from rheumatoid arthritis, celiac disease, Crohn's, multiple sclerosis, polycystic ovarian syndrome, Hashimoto's, and I've done many videos on many different autoimmune conditions. But what leaky gut does is it creates an irritation to your immune system, and it will aggravate any existing autoimmune condition you have. And not only aggravate it, it can actually develop autoimmune disease. So leaky gut and autoimmunity work hand in hand. You want to make sure your digestive tract is sealed up. Now, any symptom, any digestive symptom could be an indicator of leaky gut. So how do supplements play a role in it? Now we know there's many causes of autoimmunity, or I should say leaky gut, and therefore autoimmunity. Lifestyle is number one, but we don't have a chance, we can't get into all these hormones here today and mechanisms. Today we're going to talk about supplementation. I do believe supplementation, and I see it in my clinic, is extremely powerful for reversing leaky gut. It's very powerful. I think in many cases it's necessary. Standalone lifestyle will not be enough. So what are some ingredients, if you will, that will help with leaky gut? So one major one is L-glutamine. This is an amino acid. This helps to restore your intestinal lining. L-glutamine is a big one. Aloe vera gel, that is another one that can be helpful. Marshmallow root extract is a big one. Ginger is also very helpful. And vitamin A, vitamin D, as in dog, vitamin E, and vitamin K. ADEK, A-D-E-K. These are fat-soluble vitamins. All of those vitamins are necessary to heal leaky gut. So there are many different supplements that can be helpful for leaky gut. Zinc is another big one. So just to reiterate, L-glutamine is big. marshmallow root extract, if you've ever heard of that before, it's remarkable. Aloe vera gel, zinc, and vitamin A, D, E, and K, and then of course ginger. Those are all great. Usually I use formulations that have a lot of these in them, and they can turn leaky gut around. Now it takes some time. Ultimately, you should find out what's causing it. But the supplements are very powerful. There are videos. I have videos, and there'll be links down below where you can actually learn about the products that will turn this around and the ingredients in those products. You can order these products directly and off our site and access them to turn it around. So that's leaky gut and how it plays into autoimmunity. Leaky gut to recover, providing you're getting your sleep, you're eating healthy and all of that, leaky gut can take anywhere from 1 month to 6 months to recover, but it's necessary to get rid of these inflammatory conditions and reduce your symptoms of autoimmunity. And it's the first place that I start with many of my clients is digestive functioning. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. If you haven't done so already, click the subscribe button so you can get more notifications of our videos and not miss out on any. If you know someone dealing with digestive issues, again, these products can be powerful. They can be extremely helpful to offset leaky gut and autoimmunity. So share it with any friends, family, loved ones, coworkers that are dealing with any kind of digestive or autoimmune conditions, because it will be helpful. And I look forward to talking to you next day, where we're going to answer the why to another health-related question. Have a great day.